This is the structure of a strategy pattern. We will see how this is implemented in Ruby source. Here is the class context, and this is the initialize method of context. Inside this, we are setting instance variable strategy with nil value. And here is the method set strategy with parameter strategy obj. Inside this, we are setting instance variable strategy with this parameter strategy obj. Here is the method getStrategy, which returns the instance variable strategy value. And here is the method context interface. Inside this, we are calling the method algorithm interface of strategy, where strategy is pointing to strategy object. So algorithm interface method for a particular strategy will be called. Here is the class strategy, and here is the method algorithm interface. This method must be defined in subclass, otherwise if it is used then it will throw error. Here is the subclass concrete strategy A derived from strategy, and here it implements the method algorithm interface. So here it will be having the algorithm for concrete strategy A. Here we are just displaying this statement, but in actual there will be algorithm for concrete strategy A. Here is the subclass concrete strategy B, and here is the implementation of method algorithm interface. So here it will have algorithm for concrete strategy B. Here we are just displaying this statement, and here is the subclass concrete strategy C derived from strategy, and here it implements the method algorithm interface, which will have algorithm for concrete strategy C. Here we are just displaying this statement. Okay, we will see how all these classes are used. Here we are creating context object and we are assigning it to variable context. And here we are creating concrete strategy A object and assigning it to variable conStrat A. And here we are calling the method set strategy with parameter conStrat A to set the strategy for the context. So it will go to context set strategy. So it will come here, and here parameter strategy obj will be assigned to instance variable strategy. So this time parameter is conStrat A, which is pointing to concrete strategy A. So strategy will be concrete strategy A. So when the method context interface is called, it goes to context interface method, and here it calls the method algorithm interface for a strategy which is pointing to concrete strategy A object. So it will go to concrete strategy A algorithm interface, and here it will execute algorithm for concrete strategy A. Here it is just displaying this statement. So inside concrete strategy A algorithm interface will be displayed. Okay. Here we are creating concrete strategy B object and we are assigning it to variable conStrat B. Then we are setting the strategy to conStrat B, which is pointing to concrete strategy B object. So context will have strategy concrete strategy B. The instance variable strategy will be pointing to concrete strategy B object. So when the method context interface will be called, The context interface method of context will in turn call the algorithm interface of strategy, which is concrete strategy B object. So it will go to concrete strategy B algorithm interface, and it will come here, and here it will execute the algorithm for concrete strategy B object. Here it will just display this statement. Here we are creating concrete strategy C object, and we are assigning to constat C variable, and here we are setting the strategy to concrete strategy C object. Here strategy is concrete strategy C object. So this time when the method context interface of context is called, it will call the algorithm interface method of concrete strategy C, and here it will execute the algorithm for concrete strategy C. Here it will just display this statement. Okay, we'll run this program and we'll see the output. We can see when the method context interface is called here, strategy is concrete strategy A. So here it goes to concrete strategy A algorithm interface. So it comes here and it is displaying this statement inside concrete strategy A algorithm interface. And when the context interface method is called here, here strategy is set as concrete strategy B. So here it will call the algorithm interface of concrete strategy B. So it will come here and it will display this statement inside concrete strategy B algorithm interface. And when the method context interface of context is called here, here strategy is concrete strategy C object. So it goes to context interface of context, and here it calls the concrete strategy C algorithm interface. So it comes here and here it will display this statement. So you can see based on strategy, it is calling a particular algorithm for that particular strategy.